Raspberry vanilla Swiss rolls. 250 calories per one Swiss roll. 2 grams of protein, 25 milligrams of cholesterol, 180 milligrams of sodium, and 35 carbs. Yeah, kind of a lot. But they're so good. Let's try it. I mean, I've never tried these before. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Let's have a look inside. Oh, you can open it. How do you open it? Oh, wrong way. It's raspberry filled. It doesn't have a picture. Let's try it. So good. I love raspberry. It's really soft. There's a perfect amount of whipped cream to raspberry. It's yummy. Really good. Raspberry vanilla Swiss rolls. Yes, please.